Hi friends, good evening. I am Natarajan. Today I am going to brief you about an upcoming project which is there on Bachpalli to Nizampet crossroads by name Kausalya Manidipam. And if you look at this Kausalya Manidipam, this is the Bachpalli crossroads, and from this Bachpalli crossroads to reach this place it will take 2 minutes, and the total distance from Bachpalli crossroads to Kausalya Manidipam will be 900 meters or 0.9 kilometers. And this property is HMD approved with RERA approved number, and this property is spread in an area of 2.5 acres, and this property has got three major blocks, and in these three major blocks you will have towers, which each tower will be of 5 floors with a silt in that, and all the flats that are there in this property, there will be 300 total number of units in this property, and these 300 units will be of either 2 BHK or 3 BHK. And when it comes to the size of 2 BHK, the 2 BHK will be 1184 square feet built up area, and 3 BHK will be 1832 square feet area, and all the flats will be Vastu compliance, and then each of these flats will be either east facing or west facing. And next, coming to the amenities, there are about 20 amenities the property is going to provide to the residents, and these amenities are, let me list out those amenities. They are CCTV surveillance, 24/7 security, children play area, shuttle court, basketball court, gym, baby care center, yoga, sky view swimming pool, and then you have the workstation space, doctor's consultation room, elderly sitting area, solar fencing for the compound wall, pharmacy or clinical place, library room, office space, food court, supermarket, and party hall, and as well as ATM space. All these 20 amenities are very well thought of and is provided inside the gated community. And next comes to the surrounding areas, how and what all are available. You can see in this location SNG hospital is there, and you have the VNR VAGIT basketball court which is there, and also you little bit go towards the Bachpalli area, you have Mamata Academy of Medical Sciences, and you can see the Kennedy Global High School, and also you have the Silver Oaks International School, Narayana Academy, IIT Academy, Sri Chaitanya Junior College, and also you have the Abhyas Junior College, and also you have the Keshav Reddy School located, which is very nearby. And next, when it comes to the other facilities like hospitals and all, you have, as I told you, you have the Mamata Medical Sciences, and you have the ESA Hospital dispensary, SLE hospitals is there, and this is almost, you can see in the location, major places are being are all residential areas, which is almost in the development mode, and soon it will be completely a residential optimum locality. And the next coming to, you can see there are various religious places which are there to cater to the needs of the different religious people. And this, from this area, the Kukatkalli main marketing or commercial place is about 7 kilometers. From here to Kukatpalli you will be able to reach in 7 kilometers, and from there, and you can see this is the way that we will be proceeding to the Nizampet crossroads, and you move to the Nizampet crossroads, and from there you will be able to touch the main road, and once the main road is reached, you can have the Kukatpalli, which is total distance from here will be about 7 kilometers. So here is Kukatpalli. And another thing is, from this property to the locality to high-tech city, it is almost uh, 14 kilometers, and this can be also reached in 20 minutes. So any location which is from this area can be accessible within 10 to 15 minutes maximum. So I hope whatever the information that I have provided you will be of some use, and also to think about this property. And I would say this is in the best place where you will have the value for your investment. And any further details you need, please contact the given number below so that we will be able to help you out. Thank you very much.